Govinda, 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 Govinda.
Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krishnatarian way of cooking. So today I'm going to share with you another stuffed vegetable recipe which is called as Bharwa Bhindi. Bhindi is also known as okra. This okra is stuffed with coconuts and some flavorful spices. This can be a very good finger food or even a side dish to be eaten with dal, rice or even chapati. So let's look into the recipe. First I'm going to take 300 grams of okra, nicely washed. Indian okra is the best for this kind of recipe. So make sure to cut both the ends and then slit it in between like this. Now in a bowl I'll be taking 1 cup of desiccated coconut. In India you can easily get fresh grated coconut. You can use that. Then I added 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, then a teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coarsely ground fennel seeds, then a teaspoon of coriander cumin seed powder, then half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and then I'm going to mix this well. Then I'll be adding salt, nearly 1.5 teaspoon, and then a tablespoon of lemon juice, and then mixing it well. Once it's mixed nicely, then I'm going to sprinkle some water on top of it just to make this particular mixture a little bit moist so that it can be easily filled inside the okra. Now one by one, nicely I'm going to fill this stuffing inside the okra. You have to press it nicely inside and then close the okra like that. Sometimes if you see that the okra seeds are very big, you can remove some of the seeds and then fill the stuffing inside. I have done that to some of the okra. Now after this, take a medium non-stick saucepan. The reason why we'll be taking a non-stick is so that we'll be using less oil to cook the okra. If you want, you can even bake this okra on 350 Fahrenheit for nearly 20 to 25 minutes. In between, you will have to turn over the okra so that all the sides are cooked properly. Now this is around 1 tablespoon of oil, and then I'm going to let it heat first. And now keeping the heat on medium, I'm going to place one by one the okra. Make sure to keep enough distance between the okras so that the stuffing doesn't come out. Now I'm going to reduce the heat to complete low, and then after the okras have been placed completely, then I will be covering it with a lid and cooking it for nearly 5 to 7 minutes. In between the intervals, I'm going to check on the okra, and if it is not cooked, then I will be drizzling a little bit more oil, just a little bit, a teaspoon or so, and then cooking it again. So it took me nearly 7 to 8 minutes to cook the bottom side, and now similarly I'm going to cook this top part of it for around 5 to 7 minutes. Our okra looks done. Now I will turn off the stove and remove an offering plate and place this okra one by one on the offering plate. I'll garnish with some cilantro, keep a tulsi leaf and offer it at the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. Thank you so much for watching. Hare Krishna.